What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be showing you the best settings for the Silent Hill 2 game. So make sure that you follow the video till the end to get to know the best setting for the Silent Hill 2 game. So let's dive right into the video. So the best optimal graphical options is the screen mode. So the screen mode should be borderless, resolution should be native, ray tracing should be off, the frame rate cap should be personal choice according to your GPU, but the dynamic resolution should be 60, the VSync should be on, super sampling should be FSR 3.0 because it initiates the engine for the FPS and it will boost your FPS by a huge gap. So the super sampling preset should be quality 1080p or balanced 1440 pixels. Global motion should be off, in-game motion blur should be off, and the graphical mode should be default. So for the graphical settings for the Silent Hill 2 game, make sure that the anti-aliasing should be DXAA, resolution scalability should be 100%, shadows quality should be low, texture quality should be high, shaders quality high, effects quality high, separate translucency high, lens flare high, global motion blur off, SSAO on, SSR off. So the SSS quality should be high, the image sharpening should be the personal choice. So for the minimum requirement, the processor should be Intel Core i7 6700K or AMD Ryzen 5 3600. But for the recommended setting, it should be around Intel Core i7 8700K or AMD Ryzen 5 3600X. So for the memory, the RAM should be around 16 GB for the best use. So the graphic card should be for the minimum requirement, it is NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1070 Ti or AMD Ryzen RX 5700. For the recommended settings, you should have GTX RTX 2080 or AMD Radeon 6800 XT. The storage should be SSD for the both cases. So that's how it goes. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.